In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retry a response in the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. This is helpful when you want a different take on an answer, clearer wording, or an alternative approach without rewriting your original prompt. I'll walk you through the exact taps and explain what each one does so you know you're in the right place at every step. First, open the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your recent conversations. Now tap the menu button, which looks like two horizontal lines in the top left corner. This opens your navigation panel so you can quickly move between chats. Find the conversation that contains the response you want to change and open it. Inside the conversation, locate the specific response you'd like to regenerate. If it's a long exchange, scroll until you see that exact message. When you found it, scroll down all the way to the very bottom of that response. This is important because the controls you need appear underneath the message itself, not at the top. Below the response, you'll see a row of icons. Tap the three dots icon there. Those three dots expand additional options related to that response. From the menu that appears, tap Retry. Retry tells the app to generate a fresh version of the answer using the same prompt and context, which is a quick way to explore different wording, additional details, or a new angle without changing anything else. You'll then see a confirmation prompt. Tap Try Again to proceed. This confirmation helps prevent accidental retries, especially if you're browsing quickly through a long conversation. After you confirm, wait for the new response to appear. You'll usually see a brief loading indicator while the app works. The time it takes can vary based on your connection and the complexity of the original prompt, so give it a moment to finish. Once the new response is displayed, read it through and see if it better addresses your needs. If you want yet another variation, you can repeat the same process on that message. Scroll to its bottom, tap the three dots, choose Retry, and confirm by tapping Try Again. This is a simple way to iterate until the result feels right. That's all there is to it. By opening the app, using the menu to get to your conversation, scrolling to the bottom of the response, tapping the three dots, selecting Retry, confirming with Try Again, and waiting for the regenerated answer, you can quickly refine results without rewriting your prompt.